Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called OnePage CRM, and this is the CRM for small businesses. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself exclusive benefits and rewards as well extended free trial on this platform. So make sure you give it a try. Now if you're trying to build a CRM system for your business, this is the perfect platform for you. So you can see the features it have. Now on your action stream, you can see your different type of listings that you can create. So if I click one of these, you can see I have created this type of company information listing, and it have all of the information for the CRM. Like for example, you can see the website, the email address, the phone number, and if you click on show all, you will see the address and all that stuff. Now if you want to call, you have these call to action buttons as well, meetings, deals, and so much more. You can see in the timeline the deals note, and if you see on the top of your page, you can see your contacts. So here you will be able to add your contacts and your emails as well, and all will be populated in this area. Now the pipeline, of course, the funnels that you can create is also an amazing feature. You can see all your team members filters, and also on the right side you have this configuration button. So if you want to add a pipeline, and you can do that, but the point to be noted here is that there is a limit of 10 pipelines that you can add, the percentage and the contact made. So you can customize it according to your needs and demands. In the more, you can see your dashboard, and all the analytics are going to be displayed in here. So a really amazing and appreciated platform. If you head over to more, you can see your activity, custom reports, catalog, documents, and auto flow as well. So this is the best feature of this platform that you can try out. So that pretty much wraps up our walkthrough, and if you are still unsure about OnePage, you can head over to the feedback and see what other people have to say about it. So various people are saying multiple things like OnePage has simplified our sales process and keeps our team on track. So you can see a lot of good reviews indeed. Make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, and you can get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.